Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Shakil and you are watching Shakil's Tectonic. Today we'll explore another fascinating topic which is very crucial to understand computer performance. It is about SSD and HDD using as a swap memory when your RAM gets low. So, without any delay, let's get started. Well, first things first, what is swap memory? When your computer's RAM gets overwhelmed by too many tasks, it offloads some of the data to the storage, either SSD or HDD temporarily. This process is called swapping or paging. Now let's break down the effects and the drawbacks of using SSD and HDD as a swap memory. Let's talk SSD first. SSDs are known for their blazing fast read and write speed. When used as a swap memory, an SSD can help maintaining smoother multitasking and can reduce lag, especially with frequently accessed data. However, there are some drawbacks too to consider. Because the SSDs have a limited number of write cycles, which is often measured as a terabyte written TBW, using SSD as a swap memory increases wear and tear, which may potentially reduce the lifespan of that SSD. And also, SSDs are more expensive per gigabyte than HDDs. Well, now let's shift our focus to HDDs. While HDDs are not as fast as SSDs, they offer larger storage capacities at a lower cost. And thus, it makes possible for a more budget-friendly option for swap memories, especially for those systems which requires larger system memory. But there's a trade-off. As HDDs are slower than SSDs, it results in very slow swap memory performance, which leads longer loading times and decreased system responsiveness, especially when working with heavy duties. Maybe games or other things. So, in conclusion, both SSD and HDDs can be used as a swap memory when your computer's RAM is low. They both have their own perks, own positive and negative sides, and pros and cons, whatever you say. But you have to think about the efficiency and speed of SSD and the larger capacities and also much cheaper than SSD if you consider using swap memory with HDD. But you have to sacrifice the speed and performance. You have to lose something if you want to get something, right? You cannot have both. Of course not. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has shed some light on the pros and cons of using SSD and HDD as swap memories. So the decision is up to you which one you would like to use. Either way, you have to use SSD or HDD as your secondary storage or whatever, right? So it will eventually use whenever your RAM is low. Okay, so until next time, goodbye.